Bring your towing experience into the modern age with the Echo Brake Control. This new brake control is a Bluetooth-enabled device that wirelessly connects to your smartphone, allowing you to control and monitor all trailer brake activity. It features a portable design and a simple plug-and-play installation, and easily switches between vehicle-trailer combinations. Simply download the app to your phone, insert the Echo Brake Control into your vehicle's 7-way socket, connect the trailer wiring harness, and follow the instructions on your mobile phone. The app allows you to control up to 5 Echo devices with the ability to store unlimited trailer profiles and can easily be transferred between vehicles, making it perfect for fleet or multiple vehicle owners. With a weather-resistant construction, the Echo is built to withstand the elements and will continue to ensure long-lasting operation. Be a part of the digital future with an Echo Brake Control.